France abrochimam so o tie nka e wo Paris Mountain so doma 100.7 eyemanim doma henkuro afa nkransa sompa 90.7 ena wono ma wo tachima ahenkuro no eno se 106.1 sa frequency kro na se o mfimfini mantamu a ye fra na kingdom e wo mankasim 98.9 eno wo sunwane bono ahenkuro no ena Africa na se ba radio ye live ho www.somponline.com ensem ni nyina yewrata bo aten achim de akwakoto woko na akosani mo abenya bia kenka hwewani so ena St Augustine de na wiase nyina apa no so eye Sompa FM live YouTube ho abrochirefo no eho na wo mo hwefiri ena Facebook ne ye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra 101.1 FM no e Sompa takwa obaba na yaka akire ne dom no e de demo ho na nwumre Chairman Bernard Nchibos yakon say wono ne nkomo ena dapa ne nyina so se ofadwamu a eno na adwadifo no wo mudie wo mo efira haba mu ba eno aho nkomo ena wo mo bo wo fese ahodo enwumanyumam se wo mudi ho nkomo ani na entansa wo mudi gu ni komu mako nsia ye wiye wo mo keka bo mu a ano nkyere ne nyina sa wonkoda fiase mfinhia mako adunu no enkomo asase apiepie de afira akira ede bobo edeba na sabra make say na no ponchecheku na bra court kan no ogina ho a odi kan de boy enso e wa wi akase e bopemato bread enum na nwumire enso no nsia de ya no num mpai mu ye bite na hot na asam na ye bite ho wo wan people for wo mabobo ano pe asam no ba wie ye no enkomo ben ne wo mudi e wo mo abankesi mu ho ma ye meno na fe ye ni enwurase Opote menka hot bite ni o majoe. Me do so apam. Yi. Minim se kosane de sesei obi a fra no yonko no o kasa wate de aba kosane na wo mo kaka ho. Ene pipi for kasa won se wo mo nkose na wo mabobo na ho boko de.
Apam mame na wase na me mo akwa baba eye MDP asana che ewo eye asalam down. Sabi eye boko wo manchen bi mu na so enye boko ewo bia ya no we sisie
sisie so no man take case no ana wo mo ti news no say na wo mo ye wo mo na nkomo ba na ekoso boy nkomo
e da se apam bio tete ameka say MPP atam kase mu anu sei anka ya ye be hu ni pastor e kase mu ha na bia eye abatwo ho enkunimje bi anase bia pankatuni anebia wababeke ho ya na o matna katia nse na ye tanyu eye entelefo sei e wa han sei na so na ye hwese na nipa eye party ma abodon pemba de kwa nsia no keni na nyeri let us say original MPC chairman Nchibos yakon chairman wuntumi ona bebe na boni samande kweno ate owo eye ekitai ko bebre owo ekitai ko bebre esan se ye kwaso ha no sei etimi eye amanyofo ne titiri udonkuma pan deni yera fenomaki ene afenso eye yera Jerry Ahmed weja bawe ma shebe geni na se minority leader wetima baba tie mo amsi am na shebe ja fon to tan wie o ma ba eye ahadu sei no na chese eni breaker tie pa na aba na many constituency penifoni bi wa sei ma ye no mo ni nkomo na bei yen tusim yen hwe party ma mi so ni o mo ka e de fa enu atire na me to ponche mo ye wa ja sempe ko bia e kwa ka ni hi wo kani o mo ti asem no party ma nsem o ka che na face no o mind dan nyina no so no me de eno so e de aba me so ka wo pemu e wo eye me sa ni say amasa man constituency no wo campaign edra MPP amanyuko no ano e wa han say obe ye mo akwa aba so paso
minia mejo so mesasia wotiefo nyina
mo metiefo jo so obe yenhye what chairman wuntumi ho yin aba enu ne nam so mu nyina mo aba be twehye mu ha MPP amanyuko no e describe we say political bullying na aba as a constituency chairman and a constituency member edema eye amasaman abaton pesuaso say na wu enkomo ni sifa
That's Benya correction Takedi. Me chairman didn't be chairman to Kufria Sante, the consulting communication officer. Now, Asama baby, a liberation Yahoo Judy Papa. Now, MPP, a poor dear. And yeah, one. The one that kills you best as and I said, even ruling in my opinion. The teacher, when you see me, someone no much church or social media. No more now a year radio not see this is what. The moment someone no more can I just a chest sending in our chest, no more for the team talk, say, I'm the chairman would to me ever too. If you wear a banner, yeah, dear, but hey, one is also near the normal bubble. Now, so we suppose that charge for a day. And no one was telling you, the people and then, if I am a journey, you want to charge their banner, get up at the mouth here, if you are putting in charge, no. If I say net charger, if you anywhere, Ghana, and after finance, young castle, get your Tamawu TV, or need class after or your minor, and after I buy money class after, or to me your mining, and to far, if you are dancing with Tamawu TV, or far, and Raphael so I won't class out. Find that obey immediately. I buy them in an say, Tamawu TV more than in class. I'm my OB, I'm a Nipana for illegal mining. Now, you say, man, yourself, and then the cranny can. I don't know if I now foresee the sector. It's not a year and yes, illegal mining. I depend on one of the people. Okay, now if I don't do something, I want to be a man and find out. It's about who to move to. Now, I depend on one about what you're already. I was finding with you. It is a way, and not political return. The way, and yes, yes, what about who to be to me, that. Yeah, I'm a one up for this one. I mean, if I said that, what is being what my say, yeah, that's going to be a different. Okay, me that say, me that papa, into a year of dinner, you didn't be common. When I'm done, say no, yen share a year, communicated maybe, you're determining a cry, or get me, but a year, who a year, they were waiting, and you're going to have to say, National Communication Officer, you know, nobody can communicators maybe from different constituencies. How would you have a year headquarters and say, one of another Richard Eddie and Communicators and no beating for more. Obama Obama. Or Rav made Patroni Yajana. Why and Katrina more about the PMOA. And the PMOA because your constituency, or more, your chairman, your money, you are, yen senator. And you look at the Nuna motivated people. It's not yet a PMO. Okay, Martin, yes, Papa. Upon one occasion, a year, Esma, Richard, and Yaba, any Yawa, no bring it, where the Kanya Casana, so. They say, oh, just from Shapa, the country, whatever, where they think to Mama, country, young chefs and corporation one will pay. Just one way, every other say. That's in the Mokan, the lawyer for ARP. Chapel on the bar, Musa, the investigation could do that thing. Well, you have to be more time there. Okay, about to say, when you're putting out, what's the minute German, and when you're agree? Well, Inti ya bonga mempire. Why? Apa my influence is say you are rich the care kata so kata to aso a. Echu ani be kiechire. Enya se we nim SOMPA pa sanitation ya kwade da ye one. Why na agent say won kata. But ni nyina mu no, o hye ne koso ha no se na arewo ewu. Yen koso no fe ye ni eye party money bi eni komo. Ni ma mem tenifo bi wa ha no se ya. The person a year almost so much infantry a year near see Asante Regional MPP chairman. Mommy, make us say, you did not actually feel to share you. You show the player who couldn't catch. Do you know the car for the rooming up? We will not abandon the because any prior in a multinational swamp. The moment of 4 years. But 20 years is too much. It's too much. Almost normal. Almost but yeah, money from Capra. But Mama, case in UDH. With the trick, nay, a given case, the anonymous phone.
they are meeting someone there. They see the land. Na pe wa ko si obi ase na agade also so we no harding you say and just say man 20 years we come obi on come obi no on your friend say okay we there young one asem we just say man 20 years now omo brand no atikakra mai it's too much. Okay, it's too much. Me that say. Yeah, mommy, please. And mommy and then I say, I found no planning a million years. If you call a dossier in 55 years, and now a year, I can take your hand with you. Nippon is not a son who person to make us an answer. The shed your possible hand with you, no planning a million. I will home. I will home. Okay. I found a new woman not to us now. It's a so question of the buyer, no, and some no, funny according to not meant to us, Thomas.
Bonnet, Toffa, Nefe, young Quasanti, Momunko, or Musuja, or Mabo, and Unkoma, or Muduho, and Titi and each day. And some question one more prayer, no. Dom Kumabano Denny, Alexander Fenomartin, and after so a year party at Chicago. On your yet show for the man a year MPP Amanukuno, Yera Justin Fempon Kodia Esquire, or not on in Central for Kasai. Now, in Central for Share Momo Kasai, no, or Kasafa a year in 10 you know and more. Yet the kind, it will be Sagana for say, the teacher Abaya or to yourself on the pa, and a year Yera Chema won't me a year. And then she would deserve this ruling. You to you. Almost say na amamu tie dia na mo betre mampani se won sam na de san se ni ma sipo so ko akuafo ma kachia nkoye eni afei so eye NDC for na dia omodi ochi omani so so magudie ya chama wuntumi ye omo so mugusu eye bi ben epunani ede gusu krampo a ekuo bi e ba ya ye freno galante justice for galante fight. So research on the Baba to Denny Milano. Mountain say, now then, what can I know too? Chairman won't to me, almost can't have a chair party, any assessment or done, no, any gun of Korea said. And if you are you corner at home, a deal as soon as one now one, almost shop and be as no men work and back, some men, almost actually for appeal. 10 years a year, I hear back the Kankayano. Organization na for appeal. And a deum so, almost to be a chairman won't to me, and no one one at all. Woman in our call on the board who was over the fighting a master. That's what I say, you're not saying justice. If it's Napa, a Yama, you're chairman. Won't me. Apam, Mamanabo, Mo, Mamanabo, Nana, or Poncheku, international national reporter. Nenchani, a coya. The air coso, was on a bank, him. And can I slam down? A crocodile home comma. What is it? Ura Benard, Ura, and Yabakra, air boss, which I said, Ura Benard and Jubas, Yaquin, no scene in Ano. And that's a boy on Mercosi, Hoso. Nanso, Nina, and one person were better to send no more to see. Now, one more can in our crown, and near say also, until Wamugusua, and none as and drove on with dear course one. And also, what is it, Nana or Poncheku? What be a being in any. Edia mayeno abusua hoto na ye baite nanso enya de enumuno ewro hye nso sa we ye asie ma yenko asantimamu esanse eho na we ye titine ni edema wosono na nkasa ene se woso wo ba na hye na nyina no eno nya nurusu a wo mbeto ho aba na yenko ba abedu ho asantimamu nso de bibia ekwa won ne kra no ba wa kwa aba na asantimamu ehoboko de
ahaboko nanso osoloma aboto yi pa
minum sasa abre wosona kanedua na moneto na sen pa na ekoso nkomo be na wo mudie ene ye nche
papa mama na wase sene asemu aba da paso obi e twene sene abasa no chema wuntumi me no ka se no court ahyeso nkoda adabompunachi 20 years. Say, I can't say, na just say, veteran air course, Ye nim say osona manyiku no ebe omo ye hye na che say omo yi amamu kandifo ne ade a na eno na omo wo vet na se no e na omo te wuri no na kan say wuri ne ba ye na che say vetting committee no mu nyina moa a nim say owu akwabena century a wo ye former vice chairman na ono so edna no de sema to dia ni nyina mu no e kan ye ka se ho ye de beba na ne na omo nyina kan say de akoso wo mamu ha enne dey no aba beye nsenda hokese pa esan say ne court dinaya court efini ni no aba beye nsenda ho a ebe da ho akosi nchirima ebebe nyina esan say de court ebua ni no aba beye ehaw na ne omo ka akosi nyina ne say so wo hwe owura chama wuntuni a obo no modi yi pa na bone ben no yeye ko du ben na court kura de bo no a wa hye nkonko dada bompuneti via bionu nempo wakum nipa nanso ni nyina mu nyomo kan se aban a eye NDC aban yewura John Dramani Mahama enim se oba ye no MPD amanyo gonje zo munim se oba ye no de kwa bia so no wa ye pardon bebre ama omo de fia so kwa no ayi omo nti e bra so se de court abua ni no on pardon chema wuntu me zan se yewura John Dramani Mahama de so ye father for all so ye father for all dia and your woman father for no any juma any day. Na no dan chen so wona ma bonten a apa meka se nkoma wo bie di ni se chema wuntumi no ade na obeko ifen se it is alleged say galamsia wodo akoso no mamu ayensuo ni nyema asese no ono edi mutintimai nanso ebi mo so ka se sempo se fuma gudie na chema wuntumi atu a sen fie dodo a ye dia mani die eboro so we di adwitwa mne pa na ye dia ma chema wuntumi no nanso ni nyina mu no ne omo kan se was a buy at the Nancy form. The idea no much as will look around a question. Politics among yourself, Kakabata, who is say, Tamaun to you know, you know, and this is where he kakra, and one account be my church and see, Omodiama Nelson, no, what do I fit to form what you for was antimatum, so more kinds of wimpody. A bear says, so far glad that year, Omuchama, and they do a chain after the opinion at the Bamuno. Nelson, no can say. Sadio we no elba be yesua de kese de ama o mamu ampanyimfo asabio o mayeja pade no mo ado mo pe no mo bawura mu na ne o mo tu scape to sa ba bia nsuo wo no mo ton sadie kura na be yekokobo kese e wo kapko na nsu ni nyina mu no ne o mo kan se adabraka e wo se mampanyi wo de na sim na so de chama wuntumi nya me fa wo de zanze we kura kakra ya pono wo de atren ye je se mra no mo kase ya chenketwa enchian kese no we ye adanse de bebe wo ye kese na so wo fomu nko abia e betumi ate wo na so ni nyina mu ya kase MPP amanyo ko no ne fa wa santimantemu a yemra Bernard Ntuboti ako wote ha ise jemtreni die na kan se o ma butu ye pa bet no kwa na kan se ebire mu no o ma suspend ya ni campaign manager aye chama ekins ebire mu am no kase no no kura se afena obefra lawyer no akofirm ni wo kunu sampa se nya ye no akot ni sie no omo de akot ma wuntumi ampa se sa na tie dia en yo mu nyina wo ho sam kan di maka za santima dem dia omo tie asam no omo abutu ye papa
enti ayese obi nya ne me ayeda yeso ade ama wo mo na ehon na wo ye titenani no wono mo nso nkeka bibia se wonbekosi wo ho so
oh se ne wo ke se ye da yo wo bi nya ni o se den no kan you fu wo hande akwaya se ya ten so yente omo pe confirmation na free lawyer ho nkoma ye ni mpanyifo ndi ye no omo so we di amfa mo no mate ne mo confirmation ni free lawyer ho but say na am passage ma wuntumi ye na ko to adabo fu eti 20 years bia ene ye kira kra no ho ba ye ti si e confirmation wo mo ke free lawyer ho so wo nya confirmation dia minim se kla dia ke ameke demonstration and I said press briefing to the power because of sentiment me ma e tie for so aso ezi wo ho
ba mo sompa mo akatua pa no wo de ekoto achi pe twen wo anwumere ye no wase ene obre asantima mu ne yewura no we ye de so no mba na wa asantima mu wono mo nso ka wo mate yenti pani due mate mente enti ni nyina besi a ene na na mre animfo no wo mo na bebo amane a kire se ye de yewura koe no de kokosi ni enti ye yaba ebia ne mpabo ni na tade ni edi adanse sampa ya sesa na tare ama wa jesi na wokwa akoso mo man no e wa daba mpna chimfinhia du no ampa enti enkonkosi saa ne de sese ya mframam na wo mate esanse so mpa kan na wia no na wo mu nyina so aso wa ha na wo mutie na se ne lawyer bebo wo mama ne de a ene na afi na wo mo pachi esi wo mu no nso wate enti sade ho nsem besiesie edachna ene na kire konkomo e vibe foforo nso no enya de be hunta saa na fie he ya baby aboa no ye kekere no no ehwa na ye gya no na abane sei no ya wo bibi ya enye dede bia wo kwa akoyo na ebubuo bia ne na emu media so tena kasa bia eno ane so do wani kire dome baby a commercial bank no na chipe ehwa na just bread and pastries wo mo pan no onya bi etime da ho che enye pan no esu ni bia esanse Jesus is the source ena wo mo asa ye dokona ka ho ne so wo mo de yellow corn dokon papa no eno sei unya bia obetime de atoha mo na di na be de wo ho na de apeso de ye bia wo de aye eno obetime de akwa akosiro bi se ne wo da ya sabia ya atworo no ka se me da ya sabia ma mehweme wo kwa afiase mo betime de bia akwa akoma no ana mpo wudi awoda bi eyi aba na apeso so mase na eye jos wo mo hot kenke no a wokuta emu anwumre na abusua ye ntena ye nto so sankomoi ye bebo na asiase sa wote se bra na oponchecheku ede abankasie mu ye osono de no e wa asalanda nkomo eba no enkomo no wo mu didi wa akire nyina no wo mu kan na asa ekwa akoya amanyosem sa na ewura asantima mu nso de ba bedu di free wa bayin so no ni nyina kwa eno nso ase ekoya amanyosem sa na ene ye sankomo we no ye bebo ne pa na efe yado asiase afe emra no nso ebata ho enti wonu me nim mra na waben wo mra no mu nso ye bewura ho na efe ya busa se ye na sabio emra no ye nim technical know how no ene ye chenchen ye ka se ebia mfinhie aduonu no eso ana se biribi wo ho a wo mbetumi de ayo ye de biribi atoto bi so ye se o ko se o twen sere mienu esen ho ne ye boba akobo se ye sididu a ye na mi se fa aka ebi kura e ka se ye hwe evangelist man party de na nka mfinhia no burudu kura ne akire nso ekwawie no esote ba de wo ho enti saa na we nso eso betumi ate eba mremu a sen ene ho nso de ete ene ye bedo suko na afi eno nso ya hwese de mra ne ka na mra no yewura kwaku asansare sei wono wo kire mra wa be mra wo kwankirefo a woda emra no na adaworo ma yenkwa homa no so na nkomo a wo mo boboi so no ma na kire se we de kine ye ma no de kan kura kan wo mo mpanimfo hye ho kom sache ma wontum de wo mo de ne betum ana ampa ne nua ne ampa wo mo de natum e ka ho bi kura na ewie ye no mu sa atemu adwuma num no ensakra mu ba mu ma yenkwa homa no so ne ye ne yewura Rashid Tanko computer deputy national election director edema NDC ya wono wo hepetetekra mu a de wo wadwene mu a wo beka kura no wotumi hunu no woka de amanfo akekani wo mo so se no wo mo so mi wurate yanka so mpa hot bite ni o ya mo ade mo akwa aba
be yutimi ya
na kiniye ya na ban wa konwa so ma mo no e ho boko de
se bibia ntimi nyo fosa
ye wura nkomo a chama wontumi kesi ya habe ye mfinhia du no na koto de mani de wo mu didi ne ho pa ne so no ma no ko adu a wo mu bo nyina ne se mo de aya amanyosem mo kasa mo de ne betum e na mo ba ye mo de na atum ampa se ye tiefu etie wo wo ba kire bibi mu ama wa kire se nya sa na tie a se na abeka no na sa na tie nso mi wura se na tie
ya yo mi ya bedasi Nipa India, the part of the person that we are discussing now. So, let's do first about our time to deal with two countries. We be so. Yes, mother is one how to work at the
ya de mra na ye adwuma
na saa papa chama wuti bi na ya wadi o mai no ndi kwa saka 20 years no kwa de ba no se ke 18 years sabe man wo yi ni papa
you were tanko o se ke say how many years
o se ke man
18 years
yes
Mira tanko
Meba.
Tobo me wo se utie sompa no eni ntia sanjeje wo akire wada ma mra fom kakra me se de nkomo ne yebetim yie pa
Mono be akwa ji oye befo afoyefo wonye
Mr. Tanko me tell ye pa na said be ya tiefo beto nka ye nti sompa na wutie no ejeje wo akire nti manan kofom kakra ma said be ya beto nkomo ne ye
dia ni fom ye okay ni dia oh do na mo ma ti
wow mo yanko yenti
se sa kwa Mundo dana. Maybe dear. Uti minim no fini kola bi. So mama kom. So mama kom. O asam. Obi nim da bi ofi bae. No so for London. So you teach so quite one. Yaya maya. Yani just and a bear, I don't know what yes, what is the dear to be. If you wouldn't that be what happened to my again? Forest is 10, you know, I sent you a 10 1 grade. To hear to think that now the years can the body damage. We can simply of a soccer or Katuya or the book. I said to Winnica, why not if it's you know, oh, beautiful. Sharp for 40. Diboni. Also a governor. Let me be careful. Why not you to be? I know tell I already got my one to be.
Wow.
Maybe somebody because of money.
Me Tanko. Dear Ghana for be can say if you no do so de o ka say nka wo say ko etekura no na de wo edebo born na ye be say 6 counts yi na wono mo che say tiniye mane de mo de aya amanyosem totally nanka they can temper justice with mercy.
Oh say me come on me no dey me anga fa me student of the Ghana so it's the minimum level. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
But how we do? Mercy bien no ebe kaka o destiny. We are to money now to this is how we this guy the born no to work. What you Feed me at the number station as okay. Somebody be playing now also have a before. Let me give you so big to know. If you are I know be of what deep on it. If you really tell ya, no more. before na adumuna na bito salo be kwa se jeni no mo mai
Mura Tanko
he deserves that punishment but nyetu kwa wasa for the $100 million back so the koye wa fa fe and to charge so the bomb fire saying this is our point of view for the $100 million out from here. One kwa ni papa for $100 million. $100 million wouldn't give it by your kuma. And they so far nancy what for $100 million. That cannot be said. Oko G and other baby could be reduced stations. No problem. What's can it be a professional war? Yo, I want the seven, no more beers, so would you be one year? Yes, or you be putting the word.
You got Tango. You be Joe, no more. Yes, ye. Sadia, na you wouldn't to me a pencil. Now, over here, a big car, ever said, Naba, Naba. Ebi aye kan kura ebi koso abre ya aman wosu ono nso ti baby se na aban na aba no oye galam se ibi afuto be na ade be ma woni no
sha me de me no me galam se me nyebi ebi adi chedi mu tia enti so ba mu se se na so wa dwi yo se wo galam se na ti ta na so anya no papa so abane bi ba ti sa ti time se bia o se me ba be yero o se ba be yero dem mo to be wo ye di pa boni ni wo di ba ye wo ye di pa fu aka ja ka o ka do ko ni oka na o ye di pa fu aka wo
yera Tanko anyumre me na wasepa na obre
so what traffic so
oh yes you twa so ye da sepa na ba bia onso de ewura ora Rashid Tanko computer wono se eba kire ya manyoku no mu a wono ma hwe won petetakram ehunu de ekone de eba abatuo mu wo ye pani pa ba de akire ne nche ne yekoya yekodi nkomoyi won de a wode to so kura ne se 20 years emfinhia aduonu na ye kan kura so judge no wode ama no pa waboa no wanye ne ye tufo bo de 20 years no nka waso okoyete duo wotwe nya samoketoa na ensam no de wa wasomwa na waburu bisua no na obebe sesa anka dan a ya na ofa ne se kwan no tene ehwie no wode afutuo na ama se wono no se yewura Rashid Tanko computer wono petatakrade de kiniye de no wobehwa ne corners bia na emom se galamse pa wono nsososo wonkwanko yobi na emom se wo wadwene se na waban aba enti responsible cooperative mining no kura anya no na ade ho bebata na mo be sheda ye photocopy no akwa cooperative mining bi board akosi ba bi akwakotu na mmara so mu ene wo nsa na beso e basa won konkonkonko anwumre midimafo eba center wono dia wodi ma nyina no eyese wonnim ba bi agalamse ni bi hye ene nso be aya poison ma wawi akwakonum bi ana yade egu atosode so amu akwakoto adie enu nti na wasa abribia ukona akọhwe owidiem uhunu baabia ehwalu sulusu na fe wo machechire achire ne yedi amawo midimafo eba center wono wode time to so Dr. Time da so no anwumrei wodi mayen ewo kase enu mu enti o kidney hypertension yare ben fako malaria ne typhoid de won test kura wo ye hensi na ekọ enti kan ho wo hwesoro na nyame ayi ade no ede akire no anwumrei wokuta yemu pa ena yede kase no esommo sa yakosono na aboboa no ewo nkran ena yakọ sono manchen ewo asantemamu a bawa ede ehọ som yen sono ma na ebokọ adu se we de chiniyefo no di kankan ena we nya bohye ena asebio abam ena enya nkonsha abamu ade a wo makase wo mbeyo de wono wo kura abo no bie no ena kase wo bebo obo a ewo so hunu se bi hye ne nsem dada enti enye wo mo nwanwa ena na yewura Rashid computer tanko enso ba kire se de asono ma na ekeka no wo mo ne de wo mo ka se wakwaje Exim Bank bosi etimi ye oman yiye ye ne na IMF na wo so de ba be ye adwumade abo oman no wamfa anyo udi abiebie wo nwuma mom efra ho sikani bo ho safo hene ene mfinhia no kura no aduonu no swa na nka wose eye aduo wotwe ene waboso bi pa na yewura sede wosi eka no nyina no se me ka kire wo se edi lawfo no enom no ne ewe lawfo no wono mamra no wo mu nimmu edomu asuko no wo mu wo mra nwoma no wo mu nchen ene yebeko ma yenko yewura Thomas Shen ho wono se eba mra no mu a waben papa se yemfa nkwa aba mu yemfa nkwa ankurankurem ba bia wo ho de asie no wo mu na mra no wo mu enim ho asem enim mra no ne connect nyina yewura Rashid tanko computer se 20 years no kuraswa na nka wo so ko ete wono ede o yemra nimni miwura otenka anwumre emra muli yemwa adwomo wakwa aba
yo meto so minia
yatiefo nyina je woso na yemwamu nso abribia ye bopunu mu anu wahini yen yewura chama wuntumi case ya ene court no kwa asetina wo mhye se won kwa afiase emfinhia no makoma aduonu esanse kwa adu be se ensia wo mo de ball no ni nyina no wadi homfo susuru o ebino de ya amanyosa so no ma ne se chiniyafo hye ho bo se wo mbeyo na wo mayo nti enye wo mo nwanwa nanka ewase wo mo teso esanse wo betimi aye ho biribi ena yewura tanko computer nso se 20 no kura no de wo form na jeje na ye no nka betimi akoyete ene akire mo de mo wo mranum se nanka wo se kopa na timamufu a ye wa haba mu ya ye wodwom ni baabia yate ase yi
yo do bi chapa sentence no be na embrano eche minimum maximum sentence when you are not so bracket you to the me check follow on a near all I'm saying the maximum sentence no what is the 20 so for that is a foreigner and maybe now you can 25 and you know personal handed down maximum sentence every amount channel to me and I don't get you to me man 80 years and Sembrano and Canada
na ebinum so kura tutuma to se jama wosono krona na ene ni titire ni na sa afidie ayi ni no wo mu na sum fidie no 2019 ho yese na mfie no kura anka wo mu na wo form sen se de sese ye na wo ya amendment wo 2019 ana ema etimi so ne nsa ede na akosa mfinhie adu no mu amotemra no ho no sa na te won
ede try no kosa me check e bra mo ya amendment no to me and can system everything here I mean check it. In the amendment because concerning mining in the forest reserve, but specifically concerning penalty and also sentence this I'm checking and to me.
Na you were saying bra ya call was on bank esim ho no wo mon komo ne se sase modi anya de ombeje amana akasi ya se te bi ombekosi ho so court akoye appeal se wo mokoye appeal a ebetimi ama ehwan na ebehwan a se na ebetimi ehwan afiri so na abasen
no ultimately be say omo pa so omo bua chairman won to me and identify ko amana ye appeal e dan say appeal no nipa mo a ye di na chamuna ye di atemu abano no wa konya to wa appeal pa ko ni de omo ba so mo tan chi na nipa ba ya appeal no e ba ye na incubate ko na kwa pa ko ni de omo to ni pa ya appeal ya che mi sabno na so bi ta se so the to the say I depends on appeal to our own threat in criminal case, you know, which may appeal against a conviction itself. What you say, I think what you know, or even from suicide, and I want to be, I to Samrano. And it's a sentence in social appeal. It's not appealing against the sentence said. Sentence, no, I'm not in the idea, if I don't have to know, don't be a other sentence, be a court of appeal, more than a month and drop the monocasa. I want to say another option. And then assuming that there is an appeal against sentence one, and a court of appeal, upon the share, you know, social appellate, you know, because now almost various constitutions, almost there is our background. But the university, everything is to me, and the discretion of their lordships and other chiefs.
Na yewura dia twetwe bi mu aso ne se kane na case no wo lawyer and dia pia kubi nsem ewie ya no wo so ahohoro ne nsa afiri ho Ghana for de wo mo de betena media so keka de wo mo adwene kire won nanso enyia no papa bia anhye da ma na wo mo kasa ha sa papa no hu se ntodie betimi abanti na ahohoro ne nsa o asa na tie won
lawyer appear to the person representing the client give you the meaning some of the guys the man since they are Fabrano, so my face or person the maybe I know a friend that's being for so forth a person more. And money reading, the empire says the reason why I don't think it's free, and we have to put more money and share them.
Now, more be one remuno, yes, say a room no samu, and ten they say, quarter one or more hair, attaching him a year woman who not, and then you see. Mura say ubetu wo before titru wono ma say wo ma ban wo so a edu ba bia ya ban na wo so ai enkosi hwe biribi etese cancer wo mo de ebobo nwe you say as assignment of mineral right without approval against Bernard Chibuosiakon ba kono no assignment of mineral right without approval against Kwame Antwi and unlicensed mining operation against Bernard Chibuosiakon Sam Corona against Kwame Antwi. Ebia will be a baby, you can responsible cooperative money or no one can register, and so I said that I a banner, and what they are called Tokrum baby, ayo, a foot to Ben at the Bemas halfway.
You, in Santa, I know I don't want to say, I want buying and a war power, and to almost the better you know. What document ends not part of the more active. Your party constitutional democracy, you're going to I'm to be active. Watch a great woman in Sacramento. And then, as I said, you say, and what about the power? One thing is said, it's not for media. And I always say, what about you have a power? And it's not free power. I'm a picture open and I never say crime, and I say, and I took criminal expiry dates. So we have 120 years ago, crime. There's no project of legislation because we have found the rubber. And then, you know, so the government got political elections now. Let me just only be here that I'm saying so the media and you know MPP every other am power. But you really say, hey, yeah, actually, what is it we have a power? And the party actually goes up now and every say open the way and so the young one in the answer kind of feeling the city and no and we are in that lane
Samuel MPP ni Samuel NDC ni you know NDC no let's show no for us to do something exceptional everybody and yes why do you talk so about politics just to be done not
Council enumere yebeda wasepa na obra wanyade ama yen foforo bi ebetwetwe yaso no na ebe ho adesuane ade kire na yebeba wo nkyane ya ba beje
yo let's be that
Yura Thomas Shen wono eba emra no mu a waben pa enti se ankurankure wo mo ye adwuma asem bia ma ho na abantimi bo wo mabaso ni nyina wo mafutu eka ho private legal practitioner ne nkyane ye ko ya ye kodi nkomon hot bite no num mpa mo kase no a ye tremu a ede kofa no nsia no eno na eduru so ye do atrem na ofa etoso mienu no ebo aboboa no ensesa fidie no
abusua ye toa kase bono so ede amamo na sese ya ye wo chemamu ntumi ne nsemsem no mu de ne ye bekoso adi mu nkomo kakra na NPP amanyoko no womo afrensem twofo nhyiamu enne na womo kiremu se ekwan a empenifo ede chairman wuntumi afaso enne no kame akwa se wakwakoye neduafie nipa bi a kyeresa amanyosem ene ye de afofore ne ho de ye ho ntoma abubare no firiniti ekosi ne nasesesi a woje ne ho bia enye na amanyoko no kiremu ese de ye wo mo sasa asem ekopie mu wo court no sabe adanse kese bi anhye dem MP mfiri mu amen kyerese chema wuntumi santansa no a wo mode bono no eye sa pepepe ne tie sanse sa mining concession na wode ye adwuma no eyade se emra kwa so na wokoje sa mining concession no na eno na manyoku NPP echimu se wo mode esese no wo masi wo mu gina ye dada se wo mo aye wo madwene se womo ebekọ na appeal no womo akobi ede amachema wuntumi sanse mfihia duo no 20 years de anu odeni womo friends emtwofo enhyiamu no amanyoko no panyina wo trotro ede ma womo Justin Frimpong kodua wono na furu simpie ni apa ya ensema hodo amanyoko NPP womo trogu nkrata so no wokenkan bie ne nsam a wode tu dwa no yenko na yenkoti be busua alright ye dasoa ehwese yensa ebetumi aka Justin Frimpong kodua nene no na yabo ede amamu na sadia medi kan ekan ye ene yenka bi nhyiamu anopa no beye no nkron de konondu entamu na chese chema wuntumi waje ne fugu bi yi akokọ sade ye lo ni blue kakra ena chese wo sifri ne lankrusa mu na wo se awura court dem ne mu sere wo mu se na nkrofo bi chese vem no na nhye den ne ho ne confidence na wo fom kakra na so no kwasam ne se kamia kwese chema wuntumi no wonim se wo awura court dem ho no wo be pia bonte na chese straight ye de ne kwakoto ne de fie ama no akwakoye adwuma so no saa ne no na omanfo bi etso akire wo madwene wo ho a wo mu kire mu se saade no a esi ye ewo ye court no adadi pefese mre bi atwamu ena na ye keka wo Ghana ha sesabe amanyofo de wo mu di bone wo Ghana ha no wo mafo mu hu di totrotro ena no ada ye te ha no ma wo bi ko wia wo bi mobile phone iPhone 12 bi ewo framantem ho no baabi chese wo wia phone no beye ebia nansa ne nansa so pepepe ne yede asem no kopie mu wo court ma judge tena so se nipa kro no kra se wonya lawyer so wonya mranim ni mani twitwaje no se de ne ko ye dabi yete ya ne se ye jeli abrante ne emfihie du enti obi akowia mobile phone ne yetimi jeli ne 10 years ne yese chema wuntumi ne galam se bebrebe ya waye wo krom asem no ya twe frafimpinu ne aduo no mienu 2022 sa ba bedru sa time yi na sa fe na abre wayi puma kwam ama ye jeli ne 20 years na ebi mo kwa akotena baabi akase wo 20 years na kura de bro so dodo na chema wuntumi bone ben kwa no waye nti ne ye jeli ne 20 years enti sa komo no apiepie fire kire bari nyina no eno ye enipa bi no madwenkire MPP amanyoko no de wo mo enso de atodwa se appeal no de kwan bia so ebeba so sanse anya bi kura no court no de sa agina yesie yi ba esese wo mutimi akire mu ma danse de de pefese chema wuntumi santansa no e de ayantam ne komu no wodi hofo enti amanyoko MPP de wo mo de ato adwa no ensem a Justin Frimpong kodua wo kire mu no sei ene wo kan no Ebusua yesra mo se mode ebeche yen eto da na emfidie no akeka abom na wo wie ye no wa ma ne nsam no anso ho no a wose asagalamse nkommo yi eba ye no amanyoko NDC ene mampani John Dramani Mahama ono mampani no ankasa mu no kura begina simpie so kan ye se amanyoko NDC wo mahunu nkrofo bi ya ene na ye krado ye nkodi nkoti mra.
They think that the conviction of Chairman Wontumi will be the trophy to appease the Ghanaian people for their failures. Questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his government, with his party and government who have themselves been publicly linked to illegal mining activities. The president himself has acknowledged that persons in his administration are involved in Galamsey. What concrete action has followed those admissions? What has become of the petition submitted to Economic and Organized Crime Office, IOCO, seeking an investigation into allegations concerning Mr. Joseph Yamin and Abanga Yakubu, Vice Chairman of the NDC? We are asking these questions. Mr. President, what has become of those investigations?
Enwachi ena JFK editu just say NDC ni omampani John Dramani Mahama nan won wankasa bekan se wo mamanyokuo no enkrofo bi wo mu a wo so wo mu atete se wo mu ye galamse ni bi adanse no wo mu nyanya emfanti a wo mu na enti sa nkrofo no a wo mbebobbo wo mu din ene na no kura na yesi yokofo ye de nkrata akwakomo mo se Joseph Yamin ene yewura banga no ne wo mu keka ho no wo mu nyina galamse no wo mu dware mu bi enti se ene wo mu asem na de koto yoko no ehi na akwakoduro enkrofobia ebubo wo mu din wo NDC mu wo so ehefa na asem na kwakoduro enti san komo no a NDC fo pesa sa wo mu de Chairman Wontumi ye scapegoat ne de enya ade a wo mbepene ne apene kina enti nsem agodo ene kopie mu wo nsamtwofo nhie mu na se bi ene ada ne akire ede amamo ye nto so wo ensem foforo emu
ye gina so wo Chairman Wontumi ene court ne okopie mu a yetwa eye finhia polypoly aduo mu ede ato ne tifu se won kotwa wa fiase na enya no nkoda wonsa enya adwumaso adwumaden ensa enka ho se beya ebeya de sua de ede amano ne afoforo bia wo mo tirimupo nempo nam kwan so ya wo ye efomagudie to a enam emra kwan so na abusia asem se beto dwa no nipa bebrenu ano ena akasa ede afa ho emu baako ene lawyer ya wo nokro ya wasa ye kanem ra hyebedwani ede ma asante achim no fa bato mpesua sofo lawyer Andy apia kubi wono akasa wo ye Chairman Wontumi ne lawyer asemi ba ye wonoa ena ne kurakura mu akosise na seyada wogia mu ede ma lawyer atachia na asemu ne no ekwa awie ne atemu na ba ye no se nesi afem papa ye adwuma ya chemfinhia dodo ne anie na so se ne atemu ne ba ye wo hwe asem no a ene adanse ye bata ho no a enye ne nchense emu aso enye ne toa entua no ene ye de ma no na sempo na ne de asie no ewo se Ghana fo nyina ya me yerehwo esanse dase abutu ebema yefuna dampan asa Ghana yete bombo so yenti yes ebe atentre ne ho a ye no ane sen na aminti no ne nsemu a waka no wase wontena so Chairman Wontumi wa hye ne se wonko na wonko ye appeal esanse enye high court wonko ada ene edi asemu a etwa.
Because we know my practice as a lawyer and as a citizen of Ghana, we need to say it's your mind proper. This is here court to the other. We come now, judicial system, anything to do, we have to bow our heads in shape. I just say, media, Ubia Bonia, Mrs. Bonino, so you can also mean so to cry. Apart, what do you mean based on this evidence? I mean, media, robbery. Evidence here. A transfer of interest, legal interest in land without any see. There is no evidence or record there is any transfer, no conveyance. I'm gonna say you can only transfer interest in land. That's one to an executed document. My judge be a transfer. There is a transfer of interest in land. I didn't be a lawyer.
Sania me many jeans and treaduma when I say me better not some pahase no mukase. Menu me ho pa se me yen central nim said yes ye no ano den e de mame we eye lawyer Andy apia kubi kanem no hyebedwane e de ma asante achem no of ya Chairman Wontumi ye ne ye kase ya no wotwene afiase kokomo no ne mra nimfo ne baako na no disem ena abusua yabo amamo yi
ene chama wontumi nkomo no eno ana sesei ewa manfo ano entaye wontumi yaton obia de di nkomo na engineer Kena Sigwe wono nso akasa e de afa ho bi wono no we chief executive officer e de Ghana Chamber of Mines ene wo chese sa sentence ya wo mo de ama chairman yi wono mo na wo mo ko e de tia galamse pa na wo mo nim de na akonta mining case no sa de na honsam etie wo mo de wo mbeka se e punitive enough
20 years is good enough. I would wish that all kingpins that are involved in Galamsey, when we arrest them, we should give them the maximum 25 years and then the maximum fine, because the law permits either a fine or the custodial sentence or both. And because of the enormity of the damage that these kingpins do to us, it is important that we exact the maximum sentence to serve as a deterrent. But again, is it punitive enough? Yes, this is not enough. But the question we'll ask is that where are the other politically exposed persons who are still malreading and parading corridors of power who are involved in this illegality?
Eno no obusa se wo mo a ehyehyase ebo ho bra to ho excavator de ba e ma wo mo yo ho adwuma no wo mo obusa o se saafo no wo mo o he sanse so no still eni shedante
ensemi ehumranim ni Martin Pebu wono so de ne de aba no wo kire mu se ni ato chairman wuntumi ene e wo court ho no ese magana ni bia ni da ho na e ka kire ne se emfa ho ene nipa ban a wo ye se wo ye tuntum wo ye kokko wo ye tia te sa adwoa ana wo ye obolobo ana wo no wo firi he ene baaye se wo ye Ghana ni nko ane de emra no se eso mu a ene ubedi ne pepepepepe emfa ho se wo sika ana se wo ni sika no wo simpepi no ya no manfo bi keka se o Ghana ha de emra ni ha no wo se emra ni ha mamra ne nso mu na hwese emra na ye adwuma na se nya adwuma ene bi mo so kekan kase wo sabe wo mu ni bie ena mara edi wo mo Ghana ha na wo sika de a o bepe kwa bi su no afa ho edi wo se enne de ato chairman wuntumi no esese e kire Ghana ni bia se emra ne de emfa ho eni babia wo firi na ne nsem wo de tu dwa no wo kire se na nkrofo bi kura nte ase wo mo si wo ase operation recover all loot ba ye ene ne yatimi a convict chairman wuntumi no se de bi wei MPP for na sha ase 2022 hono mo ba bi kura na wo ma hyase yes adwuma dada nanso no eduru mrebi no na wo ma ya magana fo afedie galamse na fono wo mo se de NPP aban sa abre no mampani ekufo ado a wote adwamu de no wo mo ya wo Ghana hafa galamse hono na eye wo mo tan eno na ma wo mo bu fu yes sesi ade galamse no wo mo mpene e ma ho adwuma enkoso wo Ghana ha no wo mo sore waka eno na ma aban no so agigire mu dendenden se ne kwa bia so wo mo yes ade no yede wo mbefa mra kwan so nti se ne e wo se NDC fo na aba na chema wuntumi ya sentence no nanso e hyase aban dada na penso.
But it's also good to quickly make clear that the reports and complaints against Chairman Wuntumi were said that a lot of them were even before the new government, took over. It's not only Ora that started this campaign. As of fact, the fight against Galamsey has taken off in earnest to the extent that by October 2024, the Akufo-Addo regime saw that the spirit of the Ghanaian people was stronger than their attempt to mine in forests, etc. So they were beginning to give up and were even willing to repeal the LI 2062, etc. So if you go back into our history, you see that it's not this new administration that came and championed. Of course, they have taken the same action and resulted in their conviction.
Lawyer Martin Pebu ena yetenenken.
Yeda so ejremu e watchema wuntumi enne senia court no hyese won koda na duafie enfie aduonu no ho na abusia obofo ne de ne nam ho apaso nti asem wese nam so ama asante mantamfo a kire wonum adwen na asem no ene atemo ya eba efa ho no sania wo munyina da dodo na no esusu ye no yankra tofo ya woton krai fa asante mantamo edema ye ba bedu esi monten so ne bi enkomotwetwe ne sei ene ko wie
dia and yes ana so betua ana say ono ade no body betua because me so am me taxi driver me taxi kaka ye me na ono aja ono wa fan nji say dia o mani sika dia me nyame anim dia me ya o mu say chama unto me ne kasa bi ene no ma bi ankoyi but mpanifo say twa ka tere matoton wi a na wonwe nam bia ntina we de say me kra no me hu asem kokra na menye de o ya me ya bata enye me ya pisa because heboni a wari a asotwe fata do na wanya o say me drop me call no me so me forest na wasi ase forest era he kokko road a jiska bi o ya na bi kwa chese o kwa jiska bi so o koye fu bi ni nyina ye wa nya ho akonta papa bia nti no 20 de nkeye
20 de obi sinkeye adwenkyerɛ ɛna yɛkɔtie yɛ no efri asante mantam wade hye binom wonom aboboa no na adwenkyerɛ we no ɛte sɛ hwene ebia ne deɛ saate sa ahemfokyene yɛ ebi de dabi akyi ne nyina da ɛne yɛkafu ayɛ a yɛde ebi etimi amamoe yama ne boni ba beduna daroma ɛna yɛnsa ɛka nsɛm we sei
abusua no num mpa mo ka sɛ ɛfɛ no hot bite esani twam no nsia kro no ɛno a na yegusu a yɛde somwo ɛwɔ sompa fie de medibafo aba center Dr. Tam da so de tam ato yɛn so a just hot kenke aso yasene sɛ yɛn sommo no ɛno na yɛ sommo na Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey kag for wɔn so aka asɛm bi na wɔn de ansɛm a wɔn ka ne sɛ saa de no sɛ ni ma ho a wɔn mmra ho kama yɛ sɛ who watches the watchman na ebi apie ha wɔn mo ka sɛ Naimos of Jumadi a Womudi National Anti-Illegal Mining Operation Secretariat. Womujumadi no, Ayana and Sententine, a Chibimo and Chibimo. A Birumo, woman womudin yo, a Binsuwa, no woman temper justice with mercy. Now, woman sama womo can in I say, almost an amo shall say, what can they pray? So operation bears are her no, and a wayo, but I was shall say. Now, so one statement at one de bar and nay, a corner say. Na mo so aduma a waye ni nyina no wo ma wiamom na wo mo ho amane ye ebia na wo mo kɔ te se sahwi wo mo kɔ samna boy afa hoi na ani de akire na osmafo kwa mu wusu mo na wo mo de poto ebo amane no sade ete ye kɔ ye nya nagati sei na wo maka ye kɔ ye no sika se ne ye kɔto so abrochire sika se Ghana de sei ye gyi chamfai se ne ye hye no na wo mutumeka na ya hye chamfai ya shi moto ya je pick up ya je ho ahwan enso da korokore ne ho a na mo so fo akwa ban okaze ye kwae no na gold bi te sa twede ye fai anasa black no eno so kora ye tase na nso ne nyina be wie nkofa kire na bibie ne ho enti na mo so fo wo mo de enye se bia onya obeye ye tan na mo wo mo ka je so wo mo mawia emo wo mo dwumadiem
Yet, what bites Cassia Bonoso, a one sem for a Muampani, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Edia too just say Yana, a Bukari Mahama, what osum no, ya waiting a nom ewo and see dono, a ya dear send wona quaye a dear, a your mining in Adeke Sia woman shre. Now what chimu esse openini, wa ye penini be at now what tia seno, wa ma a candy yo. Eye akono papa fei oyobi ana wo pre asumudwie enkabom ene bia koye wo se ansa na wo ba bedi akonwa no kra sa bre na dagbon ene ne mpotemu ena ako wo chena ka menti me ho asene enioma nketenkete ahodo bia na ekoso wo dagbon man ni mu a emma asumdwie man potem ho opanyini ne begigina mu ene yenkomo ahodo ne ehu meetings akese ena ekokokoso ma wo bo na yase emma woti gina mu se dabi wanhye na wantimi ansiesie de ekoso e wodagbon no a wo begidin boni enti se ye ka ne nkomo enede a na eyade bi se Ghana mine mu nyina ena ahwere adekese enti se omampani His Excellency edinsem we nyina etu dwa wabra edom soronko a womutu free dagbon traditional council womu bepie mu ewo atena ekese mu enadwo yi ewo mampani atena ye honom se afei ena brewa yi pumakwan a officially no womo eba bebo na mane se yana Abukari Mahama wotoso mieno wato nanam wonse do eni ayeyo no ho hyehye ni bibia na officially en wo bebo mampani amane se adwumadie na se en wo de sansemi etudwa
As President, I had the privilege of engaging His Royal Majesty on several matters of national importance. His counsel on such occasions was always thoughtful, balanced, and guided by the welfare of his people and the unity of our country. His absence will be deeply felt. Indeed, we did everything humanly possible to preserve his life, but Allah, the Master of the universe, knows best. I'm positive that he has laid the foundation for a smooth succession in Dagbon, and I wish to assure the chiefs and people of Dagbon that government is standing in full solidarity with you during this period of mourning. We shall work closely with the Dagbon Traditional Council to ensure that the appropriate state courtesies and support are extended as preparations are made for the final funeral rites of our departed king.
Wei Ghana Mampeni, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Afe yefri woni yefa ye ninchiremu ewo onimonyafo Haruna Idrisu wano so na kachiwono ene omen yesoafo ya womesua ho nsem nyinada eda na bemu wakasa ede nsem watudwa ewo asetena ekoso ewo aban enkontabuo dwumedie no asetena mu na eno ena woyi ne di ede akire se wo hwe omen ye womesua ho nsem a eni kwan so odasani bia de gura topre esansa wo man puntuo ne nyina so mapa ne pompon so nyina no ehomesua eye akiribremu baako ne saa yoso ntene wakire se ezisemu bi eye ade a eba adesuade mu curriculum no na wakire se we no ebe free kindergarten afa basic school no primary for no so besom JHS for ebe to so wo na afa so akowie mu ewo senior high school na wakire se we se no eye ade a wode ba se be ya wo men ye mfidi dwuma ahodo ho adesua afa abefo computer ho adesuade abode mu nyansape ene ensa no dwuma ntete no ebetimi akoso ne saa yoso nte no wakire se wode de friend se coding no eno eye abefo computer emu nchirechiremu afa artificial intelligence AI no eno so eba beka ho ansa na TVET no so no wose eno so no wo ba be chase e de African kindergarten wose we se no ebeboa esanse ufrase ebro eso ntemu a ena ya na wani eye kokontam nte no wasre empanyimfo na hyebedwafo ene mampanyin wono okabie womu e wadesua ene ho nkrabata se wonom ensa kakrata ye betimi aboa se wonom nya bimua na entimi masa bohye wese ene aniswade hunu wese enwiem peya wonom enhwemu ye no mono eye kwampa so se be ye betimi aboa amagana ye womesua ho nsem no ebetimi ejina ye.
As I speak to you, one of the most significant decisions we took as government was to revise our education curriculum. And the agency responsible is NACA, the National Curriculum Review Agency. They were asked to revise our education curriculum from kindergarten to junior high school. I'm happy to note that on Wednesday, a revised curriculum for all people from kindergarten to junior high school will be presented formally to the Ministry of Education for onward submission to the President and for the policy to go to Cabinet.
We say ensi wada yira Haruna Idrisu esa tuana no disem no so kyerɛ sɛ papa so pa wo maso no enye nanum odentia ne yie muntia na aban no ewa ahofama waba aboso asinkete wawi abo enyinam so edi nso krampa asa aboso se enfa ho ne de besie bia no free senior high school ya abanda da no ede baye no wabehwe amanatena ho dada na etimi aboa ne de nso so obetimi aye ede ama aya desuade mu sesemu aba ama ahomesua egina ne naso no enya ade obetwetwe ne nase ewo ho.
The question we needed to ask is whether provisions was made to match the growing or the exponential increase in student numbers with dedicated infrastructure of dormitories, classrooms, and laboratories. That was not the case. And ladies and gentlemen of the media, as many of you will recall, it was part of Ghana's heated political debate in the run-up to the 2024 elections. We promised to review the free senior high school. President Mahama have kept faith. Subsequent to the National Education Forum, which was held in Huru, we have accordingly reviewed the free senior high school policy.
Nachas ofimu nam niso nada ena ya yede esiesie enwa na eto de bia eya na empempra de bi wo ho a adesua ho de e ho nsɛm no e wo se ka ho nti free senior high school no enema bi a etechema wo mu eyi na kwa twene nsabɛm no abai we say abaso obehwe na wasiesie no wakorakora e de niema hyehyem se bɛyɛ betimi atena ho da na aboa enwumasua yewra ni monyafo haruna idusu mansoafo ya wo hwɛ enwumasua so ye no so e na wode ensemi etuja
yana ya penso Kesi for boys and girls ya kinka bi no enema bi wo ho a emfa ho ne se de wiase ne besi adane akwa akosi enya de betimi de ho agim ama na yeyie eno ne se bia ya chekromfo sesi a na obi afa bode ba na obi afa ba poriwa na ebi nso kura anwuma twede de ba adan a se yempa na tv sa tegare krama ne yenku no adan a wawi ade enkomo bi efira santema mu ba nye de na ba bedu ato amane yen se asokore mampon municipality omuzabu zongo ana ba mu a wadi mfinse do no nso Yusuf Zakaria sabre won ka ti asefo ho ene sai wone na yonkofo bi na ya bo wo kwadi so wo mo wi ade krono ene ya de tro won so kromfo ya chi wo ma kire wo mo odue ma buru wo mo a ama Zakaria de watina nanom wonse do na nena ya wo no anenso no mu ate ene wo so wo hia biribia ne ba ne nya kromfo wo patentene ne
ana jo cosma da na family be one na ko be bomi obe punu ni 3 times na me sorry ye ja oba time me say ye hwan wo say ye mia ni nia wodi na chimi wo say ye mia me say ye ho hwan asomesi me say adan na bibi me say adan wo say sisi na obi frame me say me brana wo bola no so aye bo no na me say sa hwan mo wo say boys bi wo say wakofo o musik na me say sa dikan o mo bo na dia o mo busumbo no o mo be so mo kuna o mo say o mo be kuna me say o mo be kuna mo kuna o mo fa me ba me kura me pie ya dia sa hwan na obi ni area na me nko oba time mitisi kwanso na me ba bola me ba ya in fact titiri me be titiri no tisa po ya be toto na mama omo dosu na mo chene wesia me nko ani oba be sia me gina zifi me driye ba ko bi me pie no so na o de pambele shi me be me kata se papa dai ada de na aba ai wo wi ade na me se jeni mo sane no na mo ye mienu me ya titiri me ba no wo fon e wo dua so na wo hange so dua ne so wo fam na me ba no do hange so hangi diane so ene ba kono so dane so ene se atitsiri mira ene me ka se monyeni wo wi ade a we fa ko police station
wono ye na ne nsuru mu ate Yusuf Zakaria ne maame no ewo asokore mamponza abuzongo ene wone ba abedu edi sa nkomo ya wode ne sun eto nanim no na wie na alaji bawa wono na akọ news abuzongo electoral area ho a wo ya assembly member wo se ye de mra hye yensem esumesi woti sei ampa ne yabua ne sabra emre bia anche no etia mra o na de efra na mobashin emamu ane ntwe won ho mfiri ho na futu ni
security ewo hano de enye tight because according to say slaps bia ye ntwi details ho because obia wo e kan say obia wo tumi a wo ye ni ade wo ha security ni de enye tight ya ye ni say ya me ache say ye mbi pomo mo ni bi a wo ha ntumi enye chance ba see chance aba say e be you ni na okay de bia wo mutena koda ya bubu hokora bubu say ya pomo mo madwane ti ya say we volunteer for no so I ma o mo ina ba ha anytime no ma ba be sra ha senia ha ni be yakam because
enti alaji bawa assembly member ya wo news abzongo asokore mampon na wode na desre efo aba abedu so e ma so mpakase
na arakosam no a emu abusua bi a wom so de hye ne next trainee bi e frɛ no Vincent Amo Amponsa wom so wom pemuaye de afiri bambofo ho sanse wom akohu se abamu yi wawuda won wankasa ne residence wo kwada so honom e wa Ashanti region na ekwan a brantie ne fa so wuye no wom adwene ho a wom nte ase wom kyerem se wom kohu amu no kura na kyese wo wuye be na nsa so ansa no wom kohu amu no a na kyese eje kwan akura sei enti na no memene de ya no wom ede kɔ konfa no kya ban ya sabia wom rekope baabi ekura yese wom be papa ye kyire no wom hu de property ku no na family members na abusuafo no wom asɛm wom kanyina se wom kohu ye no na sabe Vincent Amwamponsa ye de support ye didware bie akyekere ne mene ɛna sabe ne tɛkyere maso apu aba enso ɛdan na wom kohu amu ni wom no sabe bibia ni we hangi was wom susu se ono ankasa na age ne nkwa afiri ne nsɛm a enke bi a wɔsen hɔ anase bia ade na ekekere ne kon ye de aso bibi mu nanso bibia ni dem wo ekere se ye de sapo no na akekere nto mu de mu nse bia wobi na akodi ne bone na sebe wo mo aye sa ade ne de ababeto wonti no wo mo sere sabambofo ma hwehwemu no nkonkan sansa prosifo nyanchi obi a wasem we hu wo mo sere se hwehwemu enko akire se de be ya wo mbenya tentere ne de ama wo mo de hye no
afei yɛfie ni enkyeremu ɛwɔ SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra yankasa yɛ general manager ya wɔyɛ radio councillor Oraire Akosua Ago Abuaje wɔno so nakache na dwumadie bi ɛkɔ ɛwɔ ɛyɛ secondary school tema school na ne nyina no ɛyɛ addicted to Christ na kyerɛ wɔno movement na hyehyɛ sɛ dwumadie we sei wɔno ma tɔ enema bɔni mu ntentan enema ɛmoa asetena yɛ die ne nkɔsɔ ne mpuntuo mu ntentan no ɛno ho dwumadie ɛna wɔnom to nsa frɛ ne sɛ wɔmmra mɛkasa na wɔkɔɔyɛ no ma medie wunim no ɔde no ɔno akasa na brabɔ na hyɛseɛ ɛde yɛn fato ho ɛkyerɛ wɔno kyerɛ sɛ ɛkyɛ de Yeremia nwoma no eti ba akonkyɛmu num kan yɛ no wɔse ansa ne yɛbɛwo no na me asafo Awurade menim ne nsɛm no ne ntoaso enie
is your purpose. It gives you a sense of direction. Because if you don't have a purpose, you just wake up in the morning and you don't even know what to do. A friend can call you, because you have no sense of direction. So purpose is so important. Your purpose directs your actions. You don't do things anyhow. You don't follow the crowd because you have set something before you. There is something you are looking to. So that is purpose. It is the driving force behind your life. It pushes you. It energizes you. It helps you. So you wake up in the morning with something in front of you. That is a purpose. So when you read Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5, it says, God said to Jeremiah, I knew you before you were formed in your mother's womb.
And no, woman, no papa cry, Beshia Krana, Sana, Umbedi agro, Abenyi se wono, Amuabeya botofaname, Asafo Awurade minimo ne kasa no, wasan etwa subiem, etrese, wase obiada hu ne botaye, ya enti a wote asase so, na upese wo hu so a wase wonya eye relationship, anase bia ebusuabo, ewo Jesus Christ, ene wankasa wontem, ene so won senkan ne sei, ene oka no.
So there is a God who knew you before you even came into this earth realm. He is the one who decided your mother and your father. You are not the one who decided your mother and your father. It is God who decided your mother and your father. You are not the one who decided to be a male or a female. You are not the one who decided to come from Ghana, to be an Asante, an Ewe, a Fante, Dabomba, Kusasi. You are not the one who decided. There is a God who decided that you will be a male, you will be a female, and there is a purpose for it. The reason why God created you as a male or female, there is a plan for that. The family you come from, you may not like the family I come from.
Yankasa ya mame ene ya die nyina Madam Akosua Ago Abuaje ena yetse ne kase na semwe se nyina no yedua bema Jeremiah Simpson ena wotimi eto edemane yebusia yebegyina asem ne ahome so taw yeba nsam no yebeto fa de ani akyem nkofo aman so.
Point homeopathy clinic Ghana had the obi enim say ye prostate na baby omutimi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a na ye endpoint homeopathy clinic anase ye kidney ye liver problem wo fa baby e na adjujo na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia asa wo di ne ho agro asa wo to nte ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic na ye moa wo ema ne mema mo pa wo ye endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo da mufua yare bia infections bi ne wo ho anase bia wo hye wo fa baby na adjujo kidney problem prostate de endpoint homeopathy clinic kuma se obehu endpoint homeopathy clinic e wo konoma boy here na Accra hanso so de wo mo ginamu ankasa e wo spintes de friend share signboard no hudru na obusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic obia e be kire for endpoint e wo 0244867068 and 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo da mufua.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
Okre Emma Aketiapa mpa ye ko wiensem ni nyina e wa amanone. Sesie nipa be sedu na ombetimi aka ne se womati nananom wonsedo e o Ukraine fo wo city ba ko ni nyina eye Russia wo strike a wo de koi. Chese eneda Ukraine fo ato na Russia to na Iran na America wo no nso toto. Nti na yesa toto mawento na ye koso na eno na wo chese se de na wo ba amane yese nipa nkono na eti nananom wonsedo ndesi ayedu na bra wo ko atake sa ship no ewo Black Sea no so no no wo de flag foforo kura gini bisa fo flag na kuru ho te se de ye gini bisa fo ship no e ba besena ko se na nya sa na tie na Russia fo se hwe Ukraine wo mo ye so wo ho aho na wo toto paye ne tum ekwawie India fo abo amane se wo mo de hia nan na atiri nananom wonse do ewo sa blast na e ko so no na we nyina wo mo kai no Russia for ade she bi nso ewo mu bia Ukraine for no nso bi wo mu nso se wo mbeka ho nanso wo mu de abo amane se ewo mu se wo mu toto ma no wo mu ho no wo bi edi ne yonko awudie nanso wo mu man no e kama se Russia pese wo bo no wo mu niema japade a wo mu de ko aman so akwa akoton agriculture niema be 6.7 billion euro ni nyina sabre wo mu hwehwa ayira wo de ko America dollar no 9 billion ni nyina ahwere won enam Russia for nsano eno na prime minister ya wo Ukraine Serhiy Koreski wode to so no wa chese abano na ni abere pa wo yire ne sra don no mu pa se o mbekọ so aboban esanse de opamo se ne bonyo no mane nsan ya wo untime nhome eno so ne yegina ne ye de nsem no nyina asie anwumre de medimafo ya ba center so yasne me ebebe ma wo a efa so mpankora batane nyina ma kingdom FIB 106.5 mankasim to madam 500.7 so wo FIB odo ma mani mu a wi ase nyina apa no Augustine de course no ye de wasi ha triple way man eja pia APAM dada ene memedin anwumre mene
ADOWA ASARE ENAFE
Oheneyere mame ekwia yaboa esia mabronya yadabo nyina mo ase dwumedie nkaye etoato amoso ewo SOMPA kra ene eyamiamia hodo ya akane nyina na hade eye mango day ena eje atwa no
Munde dinam se manya foreign call. Hello papa, what do bad to be a new?